Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm Chantal. So happy new year if you're watching in real time. It is now January 2024 and I am about to start my first project of the year. So excited about it. It's basically a villa and the owner bought it for themselves but then decided that they wanted to live in another part of Bali. Happens, right? So the villa was originally one villa, but we have other ideas. We'll go into that in a little bit more detail. And if you haven't done already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press that notification bell for new video releases.
Knock knock.
Hello. Come in. Welcome. So this is the new project that we are working. It's so hot. Let me stand in the shade. This is the new project. It's a two-bedroom villa at the moment, but we're gonna make it into two one-bedroom villas. Let me show you. So the reason why we're gonna make it into two one-bedroom villas is because it's two living spaces. So upstairs is pretty much identical, got an open plan living and kitchen. Actually, the difference with this space is that this does have a room which is going to be used as an office. An office and maybe a space for a small day bed, we'll see. So at the moment, the whole space, it's recently been finished and it's really sterile, white everywhere, but we want to change that, add some warmth, add some colour, and yeah, give it some life. So let's go to the bedroom. The bedrooms are really good size. Has inbuilt storage, and the owners invested in this really beautiful, comfortable mattress, so we just need to find a bed. It's pendant, and I remember when I saw them, I said to him, look, I'm not going to design this space based on these pendants. You know they might change. But actually these have been a source of inspiration. Because when I look at these, I see like a Moroccan inspired aesthetic. And that's the kind of look that I want to go for. Not truly Moroccan, but just inspired by the earthy tones, by the warmth, by the texture. Yeah. Our first ensuite bathroom. This is so beautiful. It isn't terrazzo, but it's this kind of stone that has that terrazzo look. And we have a bathtub with this large window, due to add some ventilation because it's so hot. Outside, it's a really nice space, but it's the sun trap. So we really have to do something to add some shade because it's so hot. Today is so hot. Alright, so we go upstairs. One of the reasons why we've made the decision to have this as two units is because the access to upstairs is outside. Upstairs, the living space is a lot bigger. We don't have the separate office, so it's quite a bit bigger. And at the moment, it's all open because this was just like an additional room. But now we've made that decision, we're going to have to close it up. So it's going to have a door there, and these open spaces are going to have doors that mirror the ones downstairs. Really similar to downstairs, kitchen area here, but just a lot more like living space. So I'm going to think about whether I have sofa and a desk as well as the kitchen, or whether we use it a little bit differently. But it's so nice just to have an open canvas. And this bit has this nice little area here. It is quite narrow, but I feel like we still could do something with it, just to make use of those beautiful views over there. It'd be a really nice place to just sit, chill. And it's a very similar shape.
Wow.
But look at that view as soon as you walk in. And that really big window really makes the use of it.
Amazing.
It's quite different upstairs, so we don't have the bath, but we do have a double shower, which is really nice with this big window letting lots and lots of light, and the bench top is the same. But I don't think it's going to take much to do the bathroom, to be honest. It's really nice. So many things to think about, but I'm so excited about it because it's such a beautiful black canvas. And I think that kind of Moroccan style is really going to lend itself well to this space. A couple of places I've visited recently that have a beautiful Moroccan vibe, and Moroccan aesthetic really is known for its rich cultural heritage, really vibrant colours, intricate patterns and unique elements that create a warm and inviting atmosphere. I also recently stayed in this Airbnb in Lombok, Bali, and that was beautiful as well. Also had a Moroccan vibe, so really beautiful lighting. Again, the colours, those curves and arches are something that you see all throughout, as well as rich colours and textures on the wall, which is something that I'm really into. In the bathroom in this villa, they had these beautiful tiles and really attention to detail of the finer stuff. So I picked up a lot of things from these stays and can incorporate some of the ideas into the design. So I started by developing a design concept for the space, which is basically a plan of the aesthetic, the vibe that you're going for, some pictures and illustrations, and I presented that to the client. And thankfully the clients were really happy with it and agreed with this design plan. I'm just testing colours on the wall right now outside because the whole of the outside is going to get repainted. It's white and sterile, and we're going to warm it up, bring in some of those Moroccan colours. So I'm just playing with colours, right? I think this colour here is going to be the base colour. I like it because it's warm, but it's not too much, it's not too in your face. And I'm going to get the guys to water it down, so it's going to be faint, kind of washed out. And then I'm going to get this kind of fretwork, a slightly different shade. So these are 3 different colours. That's what it looks like against the base. And I think my favourite is this one, because this has kind of got like a pink undertone, and I want something that's a bit of a contrast. This is too much, and that one is too similar, but that has more of an orange undertone, but it's still not, you know, too much. And I think it complements that colour really well. So I'm thinking about this combination here. I am so excited to share something that I've been working on. It's a brand new course designed to unleash the profit potential within your short-term rental. Whether you're a seasoned host or you're just someone who is curious, a curious newbie, this course is for you. Picture transforming your beige box into a guest magnet masterpiece. We also look at unlocking the power of design to really captivate guests and boost your bookings. And we've also got so much goodies in there, real world strategies, things that I've learned both as an Airbnb superhost, but also as a designer. So no more cookie cutter layouts or uninspired decor. This course is your key to creating unforgettable experiences that have guests raving and lining up to book again. Plus, early birds get the sweetest deals. So sign up for the waiting list now, the link's in the description, and be the first to know when those doors open. So that's about it. Make sure you stay tuned to the progress. I will post it every week, and actually I'm going to post shorter stories as well in the week just to let you know how things are going. If you have any questions, if you have